I'm running about 3/8 of an inch stick out on a number 8 cup with a 1/8 tungsten, 2% thoriated, and run it at 176. I set it at 175. It kind of bounces a little bit, but yeah. Okay, we'll let it cool for just a little bit, not too much, but a little bit, and then we'll run another pass.
Ooh, that bitch is clean. Ooh! What? Dude, that's something done. Oh, send that something done to me. Oh, man. That's clockwork, good. Golly. Icing on a cake. Don't grind, don't do anything to that.
Yeah. That's the hot pass, and typically I would run a cap at this point, but this being just water pipe, it's low pressure, that's going to be plenty for that. And I'll just run my weld on the inside, and that'll be plenty for that. Ah, look at there. Came all the way from India to be part of this.
Send me a picture.
.304 stainless to carbon steel. We're using a 309 filler wire. Hot, hot, hot. I'd say there's a chance, a slight chance it might not leak.